Today I'm making crispy chicken flautas. This is gonna be good. So today I'm making chicken flautas, and this is an easy version. Here I have over a pound of shredded cooked meat. I actually boiled a 3-pound chicken the other day for soup dumplings, and this is what was left of the meat. I'm adding salt and pepper to taste. And give it a mix. This will be the filling. You can use a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store or bake your own chicken. It all works. So here I've prepped my corn tortillas. I lightly coated them with oil and placed them in the microwave to warm and soften. You could pass them through hot grease on the stovetop as well. Here I have a paste made with water and a little bit of flour. For my gluten-free people, you can use cornstarch. I actually do that most days. I just couldn't find my cornstarch today, so I use flour. So I'm going to take my softened, warmed corn tortilla, and I'm going to fill it with my shredded chicken, and I'm going to place it on one side and start to tightly roll it. And that first roll, I like to pull back to keep it into a nice uniform roll. And then before I finish out the roll, I'm going to take some of my flour paste, place it on the end, finish the roll, and place it seam side down on my baking sheet. And as it sets there, the paste will dry and keep the flauta or your taquito in place. And I'm just going to repeat the process. So I have a head start with about 12 to 13 flautas, and I do have my shredded chicken left. I can freeze this for later use or just make some more later, but with a 3-pound chicken that I boiled and shredded the meat, I'm probably going to be able to get 25 to 30 flautas with that. So now I'm ready to fry these. Here I have preheated oil. You'll want to bring it up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is going to be a shallow fry. And I'm just going to place it seam side down into my fry pan, and I probably can get around 4 or 5 into this pan. And you're just going to fry these until they are golden brown and crispy on the exterior, and then place them on a baking sheet with a wire rack. And this will help to keep the crispy texture, and any residual oil will run off. And I'm going to actually sprinkle this with a little bit of salt. You don't have to do that. And these are ready. Now, today I'm going to make this really simple avocado salsa. And here I have some very spicy green salsa from another recipe video I did. So I'm going to put about a cup of that in the blender. I know it doesn't look very appealing this way. I'm also going to add 2 small avocados to the blender, a little bit of water, maybe a half cup of water to get things going, salt to taste, and puree well. And when it's done, you have this creamy, smooth, spicy avocado salsa that's great for topping or dipping the flautas. So I'm ready to show you how I'm serving dinner today, and the toppings are versatile. You can top them however you like. Today I'm going to go with shredded lettuce, my green avocado salsa. I have some leftover mild red salsa. Here I'm going to add some Mexican crema or Mexican sour cream and cotija cheese on top. And this is it. This is dinner. Like I said, the toppings are your choice, but these crispy chicken flautas are so easy to make. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.